Assalamualaikum students, welcome back to your online class of maths. Children, we have completed second chapter. So today in this class we are recalling the second chapter again. So your second chapter here is addition. The sign of addition is plus. So when you add two-digit numbers, you first have to arrange the numbers in their correct places. You just have to arrange the numbers in their correct places. Then after arranging the numbers in columns, first add the numbers which are on ones place and then add the numbers which are on tens place. Next, addend and sum. Addend and sum. Children, the numbers which we add are called addends. The numbers which we add are called addends, and the answer we get is called sum. Now see here, these are addend and this is the sum. These are addend and this is the sum. Order of addends. In order of addends, when we change the order of addends, the sum remains the same. If we change the order of addends, the sum remains the same. See here, we are writing 81 and 17, but here 17 and 81 we are writing, but the answer is same. Now in exercise 2.1 children, it is given in 5 tens and 6 ones and 2 tens and 3 ones. So you have to arrange them in their columns and then you have to add. In the same way, in the second question also, you have to arrange these numbers in the columns and you have to add them. Now you have to add them first and you have to write ones and tens number. And here you have to change the order of numbers. Addition of three numbers. Children, when we add three numbers, first we have to add any two numbers and to that sum you have to add the third number. When we add three numbers, first we have to add any two numbers and to that sum you have to add the third number. So children, you have to practice till second chapter, okay na? Next, regrouping of numbers. Regrouping is nothing but rearranging the numbers to make addition easier. So what we are doing, we are writing these 13 ones as 1 10 and 3 ones. We are writing these 13 ones as 1 10 and 3 ones. In the same way, 19 ones can be written as 1 10 and 9 ones, and 17 ones can be written as 1 10 and 7 ones. So children, for 2 tens and 13 ones, what I told, 13 ones can be written as 1 10 and 3 ones. So write 2 tens as it is and this 1 10 and 3 ones. Now add these two tens. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 tens plus 3 ones. So this is the regrouping, children. Next, in exercise 2.3, you have to do the regrouping and you have to solve the problems. In the second question, write in tens and ones and find the number. In the same way, you have to apply the regrouping on the ones and you have to add the tens and you have to make the number. Addition with regrouping or carrying over. So children, 27 and 45 we have to add. 27 and 45 we have to add. This 27 can be written as 2 tens plus 7 ones. 2 tens plus 7 ones. And this 45 can be written as 4 tens and 5 ones. Now let's add the ones. 7 plus 5 is 12 ones and 2 plus 4 is 6 tens. Now 12 ones can be written as 1 10 and 2 ones. Now add the tens. 6 tens plus 1 10 is 7 10. 7 tens and 2 ones. So number we got is 72. The sum of 27 and 45 is 72. And children, in shortcut method, how you have to do, first arrange the numbers and then add the numbers which are on ones place. So 8 plus 4 is here 12. So write this 2 on ones place and this 110 carry to the tens place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So answer here is 92. So in the same way, in exercise 2.4, you have to do the addition with regrouping or carrying over. In the word problems also, you have to just read the problem and you have to add the numbers. Next, sum of 3 addends with regrouping. First, you have to add any 2 numbers. Then to that sum, add the third number. So here we are adding 24 and 36. So we got 60. To this 60, add 28. 60 plus 28 is 88. But the shortcut method here is arrange them in the columns 24, 36 and 28. Then add the ones. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So write 8 here, 1 as carry to the tens place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. The sum here is 88. Now children, in exercise 2.6, you have to read the questions and you have to add them. Thank you children, and be ready for the next class. Allah Hafiz.